Hi guys, thanks for tuning in. Today Laura and myself are going to head down to our National Highlands Park. Initially we had plans to go to the Skyline Trail, which is also in the park, but it's a little later in the day and there's not really enough time to get there, hike that hour and a half to the top of the Skyline Trail and back before dark. So we're going to head down there and go to Marianne Falls. So enjoy the ride, guys, and enjoy the beautiful set of falls. Peace. Hey guys, we are here at Marianne Falls. Well, the trail down to Marianne Falls, you park there. You can see there's a couple of cars here. Now, we were initially going to go to the Skyline Trail, but it's still quite a long drive from here to there. So we decided, instead of getting there before dark, we would stop here, because this is a place we haven't seen yet. We're YouTubers if you want to check our channel out. It's called Caper Couple.
There's a bridge down here.
Yeah.
Just across the bridge, there's a set of steps.
Yeah.
Stairs go down to underneath the falls.
Okay.
So you can see it from the bottom.
Awesome. Awesome. We'll check that out. Thanks.
Thank you.
Okay guys, so you heard him. There's a set of stairs and you can go down underneath the falls. So we will probably check both parts out, since this is the only thing we have to film today so far. And you can see I've got my Hero 2018 strapped to my chest here, but it's kind of going cockeyed on me. So I'm trying to straighten that out. And then I got the bag constantly falling off my shoulder, which makes it harder go. So I'm going to show you guys the trail here. Apparently it's not a far walk, because he just came in maybe 5 minutes ahead of us there. He parked same time as I did, and I had to get all this gear ready. So within the 5 minutes or so that it took me to get everything ready, he's already back out. So it'll give you an idea of what you're up against coming in here. Now, it depends on what time of the year you come, because when we come last time was probably around this time of year, wasn't it? Okay, we came down here, it was either late October or early November. Yeah, it might have been November. I don't remember. It's been that long. Yeah, it was. I was waiting to get a tooth out. But anyway, guys, they gate this road a certain time of the year, so you can't drive up it. And they do that because this road washes out and stuff. Now, if you do come here, you may come across a moose or any other type of wildlife, because it's a... we're in the Highlands. We're in the Highlands Park, which is a very, very big park. Now, sorry about the second camera here, I'm trying to straighten it. Like I say, guys, this park goes for miles and miles. Hey, where's the steps, he said? Yeah, there's a bathroom if you need to use the bathroom now. So there's a path and a set of steps. I don't think it's there. But anyway, we're at Marianne Falls. Okay, he said there's a bridge, across the bridge, and there's a set of steps. Which the steps are, not sure. Right over here, I guess. So we'll go down these steps. We will show you guys another beautiful set of falls. Okay. Come on, Missy. You gotta stay with me because this is... You might run into wildlife out here. Actually, I'd be very surprised if we don't run into wildlife while out here. Oh, this one's great, guys. Deep waters here. So here's the steps. He said you can see it from below. Just cross the bridge and you'll see these steps on your right. That bag is driving me nuts, falling off my shoulder. I'm trying to get another angle with the GoPro. Okay, that's something I got distracted in telling you guys. I picked up a Hero 2018, which is on my shoulder there, and it's in a Ulanzi case, but I ended up changing the firmware to that camera and turning the camera into a Hero 5 Black, which is something that GoPro does not recommend you do. There you go, guys. I cannot get drone footage here as we are in the middle of the Highlands Park. But that's the falls from below. I'm actually going to take a step down here and show you guys a little better. You coming down, Missy?
Yeah.
Give me your hand. Put it in your pocket. Zipper up the pocket so it doesn't fall out. Check this out.
I have a bad arm.
Come on. Give me your hand. Oh, yeah, you're good. Says that all the time, guys, and then she'll go and fall. What a spot to fall. There you go. Marianne Falls. I really wish I could fly here, guys, and get you an even more fantastic view, because this one, I'd be able to take the drone and put it right up between, as there's such a gap there. I'd be able to get an awesome view of those falls. But like I say, it's not allowed in the park. Nice big rock wall there. That's one big piece of stone. There's some big huge boulders in here, eh guys? See that one? It took us roughly, I don't know, 2.5 hours or so to drive down here. We left at 10:30. 3 hours. It took us 3 hours because it's now 1:30. Very cool. Don't go any further. Don't go any closer. Got two people coming. How do you like that, guys? Beautiful set of falls. You could probably even go for a little dip here. The water looks at least waist deep there. I'd imagine it gets a little deeper as you go further because it gets darker. So I am going to set up my other camera on my tripod here and try and get a little time lapse. So I'll catch you guys right back and you will see what that's like.
I wanna show you what it feels like Don't say you don't need me at all. And forgive me if I hurt you, baby. Don't you say that I did.
After a little bit of bushwhacking down along the side here, guys, get a much better view. I've got the Hero 5 set up, taking another time lapse. You can see Laura up there. You can get a much better view of the falls. Plus you can see down here a little further. I'm not getting any further. I'd be able to get to that rock right there, and that's about it. I wouldn't get any further without getting wet. I was saying I'd highly recommend coming here and checking this out. It's well worth the trip. It's one of the bigger set of falls that we've seen so far. Now, it's not the biggest on the island. That one is like a 10-kilometer round trip. And we might do that one next year, next summer. But I can't see us doing it this year. We might go to the Skyline Trail next weekend, depending on the weather. I'm soaked with sweat here, guys. Like I say, I've got that one there doing a time lapse. It should be catching the falls, but let's turn it this way a little. Right about there. I'll leave that sit for probably 5 minutes or so. Missy's trying to work her way over to me, and you can tell that she's worried now if she can't get any further. Look, she's counting which way to go. If this camera could zoom in on her face, you'd have a good laugh. Look, she doesn't know whether she should take another step or not. Look at the eyes. The eyes are rolling back and forth going, can I get over there? Check that rock out. Beautiful place. I was saying to the guy up there was a man and a woman come in, and I was saying, I wish I could fly the drone here. He said, do it anyway. I said, no thanks. I post my stuff to YouTube, and I don't need the trouble. I got through there. Yeah. If you don't think you can do it, stay there. I'll only be a couple more minutes anyway. Go back. I'll be over in a minute. So we'll get back up here. This bag on my shoulder is absolutely driving me nuts as it keeps slipping off of my shoulder. I've got to invest in a new camera bag. There she's coming. Come on. Yeah, go that way. Keep going. Oh, I'm tired, guys. I tell you, this Hero 5 has a totally different picture than the Hero 8. Oh, let's go up the stairs, then you can rest. I can't leave you here, dear. There's wild animals out here. Up the top to see the other side of it. No, that doesn't work like that. So what do you think, guys? You should have done that when we were down there.
You left. You went over that way.
I had to film, that's why.
Yeah, so I couldn't get a picture of it.
So what do you think? Beautiful spot?
Come here, babes.
Yeah, I'm soaked.
You're lucky I love you because this is a nice sweater.
Sweat running down my forehead.
Oh, let's shake your tears.
I hear the way she's talking to me.
Alright, let's see.
Oh man, really warm, guys.
You go ahead, man. I'll go behind you.
It's too warm for a winter coat today. Now, yesterday, you'd really want the winter coat, because it was that windy and cold. Well, at least they built a nice set of steps here to go down and up. Check that out. Got 2 GoPros on the go. I left the Sony camera up in the car. Oh, bag falling off my shoulder again. It is not a long walk to get down here from where you park. Oh. So you get a little view of the falls here. There's another small set there under the bridge. So we'll head over here and see what we can see over this side. Oh, you want to be careful here. Okay, nice. Listen to the roar off of that. So you've got a pretty deep pool here. I would imagine you can swim in this really deep. You can get down and walk right down along the side to bring you down on that little rock there and enter in that way. That would be the best bet. So you can climb right down here and then go over that side. So you can go right under the bridge here, which is pretty cool. Awesome view from here. See all the brook. And this is the start of the falls. Pretty decent, guys. Lovely place. You can walk right down through here by the corner of the bridge too. There's lots of entrances to get down under here. Like I say, I would love to put the drone up here, but I'm not going to risk getting in trouble and getting a few $1,000s worth of fines. So very cool spot. Very cool. Highly recommend coming here, guys. Beautiful place. What do you think, little redhead?
Yeah, for sure.
You like this spot?
Yep.
Okay, guys, so that being said, we're going to end it here. Head back to the car and endure that long ride home. So if you enjoy what we do here, please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave us a like, as the likes help push our videos further around. Leave a comment, we love reading them. Make sure your notifications are on so you don't miss our videos, and we'll catch you later, guys.